Come September, Kerala cricket will awake to a new dawn with the start of the inaugural T20 Cricket League. Christened as the Kerala Cricket League, KCL, the 6-team franchise-based league will be held at the Greenfield Stadium from September 2 to 19. The KCL is the culmination of Kerala Cricket Association's long-time effort to provide a competitive platform for cricketers in the state to excel and grab the eyeballs of IPL teams and national selectors. The KCL is more or less run on the same guidelines of the money-spinning IPL. Star Sports and Fancode gave a fillip to the tournament by agreeing to telecast the matches live on its network. KCA roped in Mohan Lal to be the brand ambassador and Sanju Samson, the state's best-known cricketer, as the icon to market the new league. After the expression of interest was advertised in the media, many business houses and cricket enthusiasts came forward to buy the franchisees. When the bids were opened, film director Priyadarshan procured the Thiruvananthapuram franchise and named it Trivandrum Royals. Prominent businessman Sohan Roy bought the Kollam franchise and gave it the name of his flagship company, the Aries Kollam Sailors. Console Shipping pocketed Alappuzha franchise and named it Alleppey Ripples. The Kochi franchise was bought by Smile Rewards and was named Kochi Blue Tigers. Businessman Sajjad Seth brought the Thrissur franchise and named it Thrissur Titans. The Kozhikode franchise was bought by the business group Globster and named it AKK Globster. At the launch of KCL logo, Sanju Samson expressed hope that the new league will pave the way for more players getting opportunities to play for IPL teams and in the Indian team. The player auction was held on August 10 and noted sports commentator Charu Sharma was the auctioneer. R.M. Sharafuddin created history as he became the first player to be sold in auction, and he was bought by Aries Kollam for 4 lakh. All-rounder MS Akhil struck gold as Trivandrum Royals procured him for 7.4 lakh. Thrissur Titans splurged 7.2 lakh on Varun Nenar. All-rounder and T20 specialist Manu Krishnan fetched an eye-popping 7.2 lakh price tag as Kochi Blue Tigers won the bidding war against Royals. Salman Nazar was aggressively pursued by Calicut Globster, who landed him for 7 lakh. Alleppey Ripples' most expensive buy was Krishna Prasad for 6.2 lakh. Former IPL star KM Asif was Aries' costliest buy at 5.2 lakh. 168 players were registered in the players' draft. The teams opted for experience initially, and all the 31 players in category A with base price of 2 lakh were sold. Only half of the players from category B with base price of 1 lakh were sold. The teams banked on youth as 56 players from the total of 94 were bought by various franchises. The T20 leagues in neighbouring states of Tamil Nadu and Karnataka had unearthed many raw talents. The KCL will hopefully unravel many uncut gems in the coming years.